Today I am excited because I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my most favorite meals. I am going to be showing you how to make chips masala, and it's going to be very easy to prepare and quite tasty. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing chips masala. Trust me. So you're going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat you're going to place a pan, add cooking oil. Then I have to tell you something about my chips. It is leftover fries that I made earlier on. Being a Saturday, I usually make chips, so today it's on Saturday. I don't know when the video is going to go up, but this is leftover fries. I'm going to show you how to make chips masala. So my oil is getting hot. I'm going to add onions. I've added a little bit of oil because, you know, when making fries, you make them by deep frying, so they contain a lot of oil. So try and use as little oil as you can, and still your chips masala is going to be lit. And I'm using a very large pan. As you can see, the onion seems to be a little. This is one medium onion. When the onions are soft, I'm going to add in tomato sauce, like a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Next, I'm going to add ketchup, like a 1/4 cup also. Stir in. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Salt, like a 1/4 or a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, because yeah, you don't want to overwhelm the chips with salt. Stir in. Then lastly I'm going to add cumin, like 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Stir in also. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water, like a 1/4 cup of water. Water. Today I'm feeling excited since I love chips masala. Stir in the water and let this come to a boil. So I'm using medium low flame because I don't want my ketchup to burn. If you put too much flame, the ketchup or the tomato sauce is going to burn because the heat is too high. Yeah. So when my tomato sauce is cooking, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir in the tomato paste and give it a minute or so. Very easy to prepare, you see. Then next I'm going to add my chips or fries. It depends on where you are. Here we call it chips. If you're in the States, it's fries. Stir in. As you can see, this is how the fries are looking. So I'm going to give them about 2 minutes while stirring. I love making chips masala on Saturday, or preparing chips for the children because they are usually at home. Because during the week we rarely eat chips. So when this Saturday I make for them plain chips, the next I make chips masala, and they enjoy because it won't get boring. You're going to make sure that the chips masala is well seasoned with salt. You want the chips masala to be very tasty. So lastly, I'm going to add coriander. Stir in. So I've already served my chips masala and it's looking awesome, and I can't wait to dig in. I'm excited as the children. So I hope you try out the recipe at home and make yourself chips masala, or you can revamp your chips into chips masala. Yeah, and it will be very delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and